Welcome back to Be a Sponge. In this activity, we're going to open up the project that we're working on and add a backdrop to it, and also change the sound. Instead of a pop, it's going to do it something else. So there's two ways to open our project, and that is go to the create button next to the scratch icon, or the easy way is to go to my stuff, click on it, and go to Gobo or Bubble, which I accidentally named. Oops, but it's okay, we could easily fix it. So here though, you could click on the Go button and play the game. There it goes, it counts. Or we could stop it. But let's go inside the game. See inside. And there it is. So first we're gonna change the name to what it should be. It's Gobo. And click Save Now. Next, we're gonna look at the backdrop here. Right click on this button and do a finder, choose it. So we could pick any one we want. So how about we do Galaxy. So the background is Galaxy. But what if you don't like it? So you go back to the background, and how about you actually make it a surprise? So click on it. Whoa, it's curtain. That's different. And the other thing we're gonna do is we're gonna change the sound. It was pop, but we're gonna delete it, and we're gonna click on this button and record one. And it says click on this button to record. What should we make it sound to? There you go. Like different kind of pop. So save it. Go back to there and change the sound to recording one. And click on this Go button. There it goes. And also, like we said, we could make it in full screen and play it. It makes a sound, the background's there, and we can also miss it by accidentally and stop the game and minimize it again. And we could use this share button so everyone else can see it. Even your parents if they want to, or your friends. So share this button. There you go. It says congratulations, you're sharing. You could write your instructions or your notes, provide any credits you want, and that's it. That was easy, right? And you could turn on the comments or turn off the comments. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.